Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and what is the point of me living next to so much water if I can't get out on it and enjoy it? And now I have just the thing to be able to do that, and it is this kayak from Zest Kayaks. What I absolutely love about this kayak is how versatile it is. It's a modular kayak, so it comes in 3 pieces, so it can be configured for one person use or for 2 people. It is great to have that flexibility since it's me and my husband, and sometimes I want him to come with me, but maybe sometimes I just want to take a solo adventure on my kayak. This kayak is really neat because it actually has foot pedals, which means I can propel it with that, or I can use the oar that comes with it. If my arms are getting tired, I can start using the foot pedals or vice versa. The fact that it comes in 3 pieces means that it's so much easier for me to store, which is awesome because I don't really have a very big place and I don't have a lot of storage. I have always struggled with trying to steer a kayak anytime I've used one, but something else that's amazing about this kayak is that it has a rudder system and I can simply direct it wherever I want to go and explore some more. This kayak glides through the water so effortlessly, and it's absolutely beautiful to be able to experience the area where we live from the ocean right next to our house. In my opinion, this kayak from Zest Kayaks has absolutely everything I would ever want in a kayak. That's just my point of view.